centuries. Europeans sent expeditions to Asia in search of gold, silk, spices, and gems. At the time, many explorers thought the world was mostly land with little water. So while others tried to sail south around Africa to reach Asia, Columbus believed he could find a shorter route by sailing west. On August 3, 1492, Columbus and 90 crews left Spain and sailed west on 3 ships, the Nina, the Pinta, and the Santa Maria. By the morning of October 12th, as anxious sailors planned a mutiny, they spotted land and beached on what was known as San Salvador Island. But Columbus believed he had reached the East Indies, near Japan. Delighted with the success of Columbus' first voyage, King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella of Spain financed the explorer's second journey. On September 25, 1493, Columbus left Spain with 17 ships and nearly 1,500 men. They crossed the ocean in 21 days and landed on what is now Puerto Rico. Columbus also returned to what are now Hispaniola and Cuba, both of which he had landed on during his first voyage. After 2 journeys, Columbus had still not produced the Asian riches he promised the King and Queen of Spain. At that time, it was a common belief that spices, jewels, and gold could be found near the equator. Columbus charted a route far to the south, and on May 30th, 1498, he left Spain with 6 ships. He reached what are now the island of Trinidad and the coast of Venezuela. On May 9th, 1502, Columbus set out on his final search for a passage to mainland Asia. His 4 ships traveled to Central America, but Columbus was once again convinced he had found Asia. Disaster struck on the voyage home when the badly leaking ships marooned the crew in what is now Jamaica. It was a year before they were rescued and returned to Spain.